Jason with Best Bonsai again, and we're here working on our Shohin Ficus. And what I've done now, I went ahead and wrapped the wire around this branch here so that we can shape it and kind of get a fuller, more even canopy to our tree. So I'm going to go ahead and bend this branch. Now I'm only going to bend the wire by each joint so that I don't snap the branch. So joint by joint, I'll adjust it to where I want the branch to go. When choosing the gauge for the wire, it's always a good rule of thumb to use wire that's about 1/3 of the thickness of the branch that you're wiring. So instead of coming straight at us, this branch now goes to the side, which looks better. But what I want to do is I want to give it a little movement. I want it to go down initially, and then we're going to have it come back up on that section, so we create some movement. This back branch, which I've wired as well, we're going to spread out. That way we get a fuller canopy